Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to solve IE Irodov Part 1, Problem 2. A point traversed half the distance with the velocity v0. The remaining part of the distance was covered with velocity v1 for half the time and with velocity v2 for half the time. Find the mean velocity of the point averaged over the whole time of motion. Let's solve it. Let S be the total distance traversed by the point. Let T1 be the time taken to complete first half distance. Let T2 be the time taken to complete second half distance. So in this question, we are required to find the average velocity, which is given by the total distance upon the total time, which is equal to, as we assumed here, S upon T1 plus T2. So considering this, since the first half distance is covered by the velocity v0, so v0 t1 is equal to s by 2, and the second half distance is of course covered by velocity v1 plus v2, so v1 plus v2 into t2 by 2 is equal to s by 2, which also be written as v1 plus v2 into t2 is equal to s. So substituting this in the average velocity equation, average velocity is equal to v1 plus v2 into t2 divided by t1 plus t2. So if we are able to express t1 in terms of t2, then we might be able to solve this equation. So we also have v1 t1 v0 into t1 is equal to s by 2. Also v1 plus v2 into t2 by 2 is equal to s by 2. Therefore v0 t1 is equal to v1 plus v2 into t2 by 2. So therefore we can easily write t1 is equal to v1 plus v2 into 2 v0. So substituting t1, in the equation of average velocity, we get average velocity is equal to v1 plus v2 into t2 divided by t1, which is given by v1 plus v2 to t2 upon 2 v0 plus t2. So obviously cancelling t2, we can write average velocity is equal to v1 plus v2 into 2 v0 divided by v1 plus 2 v0. Therefore average velocity is equal to 2 v0 v1 plus v2 divided by v1 plus v2 plus 2 v0, which is the required answer of the given problem. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thank you.